Good morning, guys. What is up? Today is the day. We are heading to Texas today. How about her, Adam? What do you have to say? Are you excited?
Yep.
Wow, you sound very enthusiastic there.
Long trip.
It's gonna be a long trip, guys. We're going to Houston, and then we have another 2.5 hour trip from there. So. Alright guys, so update, it is 8:10 now. We are in Tennessee. It's, 8:10. We driven what? About 10 hours so far. We still have a long ways to go. We're probably gonna stop somewhere tonight around 10-ish or so, sleep overnight. Hopefully we'll find a good little creek or something. And then we might buy a fishing license in the morning for Alabama or Tennessee, wherever we are. And then we'll fish in the morning, try and get a video booked out. Then we'll finish our drive to Texas, so. Yeah, that's what's happening right now, and 2 peanut butter and jelly sandwiches for lunch and a bunch of snacks. And yeah, it's time to get back on the highway and get going for a little bit more. Hopefully we'll be getting to Alabama. How about it, Adam? Yes, sir. Alright guys, so it is the morning. We found a spot here in Alabama. It's by some lake that's a public water source. It's for like drinking water and stuff.
I'll never do it again.
Aaron's asking a guy right now, the game warden, if we can fish around here or not. And so we're just chilling, and then we have what, another 9-10 hours to go till Texas. Alright, so technically we weren't allowed to stay at the place we stayed at last night, but we did it anyways. But he kicked us out because his boss was coming and he didn't want us to get in trouble, so shout out to him.
He didn't want him to get in trouble?
Yeah, he didn't want himself to get in trouble too. But so we just found a random spot in here. I don't know if there is gonna be any fish in here or not, but we're gonna see. Hopefully we'll be able to get on something.
This is terrible.
And maybe we'll hook into a big one, so stay tuned, guys. Something just took off from under that pollen right there. Something just took off from under that pollen. You can see the weight. Dude, that bass is freaking big. Oh, that was a different bass. No, he took my worm. Oh my gosh, that was a fish. I just had a fish. Dude, there's a fish in there.
Yeah.
I'm not lying. I felt it. I don't know. Toss her in there, Adam. Toss her in there. I already see a little fish. But I don't know if there's any bass or anything in there. Did you have them? There's a fish in there, bro. Oh, I have one. Oh, yes. Adam. I think it's a green sunfish. Well guys, first fish of the trip, first fish of Alabama is a green sunfish. Look at that, super pretty, awesome colors. Look at that. What is? Gotta let me eat that. Not Mondays like back in PA. Nice! Adam's on his first fish.
Good little cat, man.
Yeah, right? Another nice little green sunfish. Nothing too spectacular, but I mean, this crick is freaking awesome. Yeah. No problem, sir. Okay, I'm gonna try and catch another one. I know, they're so pretty. I love them.
Looks like red on them.
There's one. He's stuck. I think it's a crappie, but it's stuck now. So Adam, what did you just do?
As long as it worked. Trying to slice an apple. And I back up my finger clean in half.
How'd that feel?
Oh, it freaking hurts. It's like a bloody
It's not fixed. It didn't focus, but. Alright guys, so it is the third day of our travels. Finally made it to Texas last night. We crashed at the guy's place who owns the property we're going out to. We have another hour and 45-minute drive. We got our licenses this morning. We went to Academy Sports, first time ever. I know it's a big deal down here in the South, but anyways, he made us crazy good tacos last night, the best I've ever had. And so he's gonna take us out. He's gonna show us the property. We're gonna spread some corn and stuff for the hogs, and then I don't know what else we're gonna do. We might do some turkey hunting tonight, like in the evening, or we might shoot some pigs.
We are both ready.
Go back, Adam.